The future's coming at us fast. A 2025 McKinsey report says AI could automate 70% of everyday work tasks by 2026. From brain-controlled gadgets to robots running warehouses, the world's getting a high-tech makeover. In this video, I'm breaking down 20 jaw-dropping tech trends that'll redefine how we live, work, and play. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the future.
It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program.
Think coding's just for nerds? Not anymore. Gartner predicts 75% of new apps will be built with low-code or no-code platforms by 2026. Tools like Glide, Bubble, and Microsoft Power Apps let you drag, drop, and publish like a pro. OpenAI's custom GPTs let anyone build AI tools without code, and Google's AppSheet is helping businesses automate workflows without devs. The app building game? It's now for everyone.
Why would we throw away 50% of our data, and see everything through a single eye? It makes no sense to me. I think we're looking at a future that's a whole new distribution model, where we can have theater-grade 3D, basically on your head.
I still see the center of where the AI innovation will happen in smartphones, followed by glasses, right? That's how I see it.
VR and AR are getting insanely smart. By 2026, AI-driven extended reality will create virtual worlds that adapt to you. NVIDIA's real-time AI characters hold full conversations, as shown at SIGGRAPH 2025. Meta's avatars don't just look real, they react, per their 2025 keynote. At CES 2025, virtual stores rearranged layouts based on shopper movements. Step into a virtual mall that knows what you want. It's wild. Our cities are turning into sci-fi hubs. Statista forecasts 30 billion IoT devices by 2026. Singapore's traffic lights adjust to congestion in real time, per a 2024 IEE report. AWS and Verizon power warehouses that track inventory without humans. In South Korea, smart poles monitor air quality and charge phones, per ZDNet. The Internet of Things is making our world a living, breathing network. Your data's staying locked down. With GDPR and California's CCPA cracking down, AI's going local. Apple's M4 chips handle AI on device. No cloud needed, per WWDC 2025. Meta's Llama 3 runs locally, and Intel's Meteor Lake chips have AI accelerators, per TechCrunch. Fast, secure, and private. AI's keeping your secrets safe. Kiss repetitive work goodbye. ServiceNow, UiPath, and Zapier are automating entire workflows, hiring, invoicing, you name it. ServiceNow reported a 65% drop in repetitive tasks for big companies in 2025. Amazon's warehouses use predictive analytics to sync humans and robots, per Forbes. Whole processes are running themselves, and it's epic.
Innovations of first-generation humanoids, factory automation, and autonomous vehicles have surged from private sector investment. Every one of these advancements is powered by AI. The robots are here. Our future is no longer science fiction.
Robots are stealing the show. Agility Robotics Digit patrols Amazon warehouses. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot is poised to transform automation with advanced capabilities.
We're finalizing the design of Optimus version 3, and that really is going to be a very remarkable robot. It will have essentially the manual dexterity of a human, so meaning a very complex hand, an AI mind that can navigate and comprehend reality, and it will be made in very high volume.
Tesla Optimus Gen 3, a humanoid robot with enhanced dexterity and AI-driven autonomy, is designed to revolutionize tasks in homes and factories. It is expected to begin low production for internal use in 2025, with high-volume production for external sales targeted for 2026. While Walmart's shelf scanners hit 1,000 stores per retail dive. Starship and KiwiBots deliver food on campuses with AI vision per Tech Radar. UB Tech Robotics, Walker S. 2 humanoids, at Foxconn's Zhengzhou factory, perform tasks like sorting, inspections, and gluing, enhancing efficiency with their autonomous battery swapping system. At Zeeker's factory, these robots boost production through precise 24/7 operations, supporting China's push for advanced manufacturing automation. With worker shortages, these bots are getting smarter weekly, and they're here to stay. Your devices are getting a brain transplant. By 2026, AI will be baked into operating systems. Microsoft's Copilot in Windows 11 summarizes files and generates images without switching tabs, per Build 2025. Apple's macOS and iOS will lean into on-device AI with neural engines, per Mac rumors. Your phone and laptop? They're your new genius sidekicks. Wearables aren't just step trackers, they're health gurus. Oura and Whoop monitor sleep and stress, per Wired. New models add non-invasive blood sugar tracking, and Movano's working on continuous blood pressure, per Bloomberg. Smart rings spot illness via skin temperature. Yay, I turns raw data into personalized health nudges. Quantum's no longer sci-fi. IBM's aiming for a 1,386 qubit chip by 2026, per their 2025 roadmap. It's tackling drug discovery and supply chain optimization, per MIT Technology Review. Google, IonQ, and Rigetti are in the race with demos that will blow your mind. 2026 could be Quantum's big moment. Screens are so last decade. Apple's Vision Pro started it, and Meta, Xreal, and Samsung are building lightweight AR glasses with live captions and navigation overlays, per CNET. By 2026, you'll text or navigate without touching your phone. AI makes these glasses know what you need before you ask. AI's saving lives like never before. Google DeepMind's 2024 model detects 21 diseases from retinal scans, per Nature. U.S. hospitals use AI to spot sepsis early, per JAMA. AI's even personalizing cancer treatments with your DNA, per The Lancet. Healthcare's getting scarily personal.
Doctor, that I am allergic to penicillin. Is it still okay to take the medications?
Definitely. These antibiotics don't contain penicillin, so it's perfectly safe for you to take them.
Great, sounds good. Goodbye.
Your next device? It's an AI powerhouse. Apple's A17 Pro and M4 chips handle translation and image editing on-device, per The Verge. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite powers Windows laptops, and Intel's Meteor Lake chips have neural processing units for lag-free AI, per a 2025 Ars Technica report. Every gadget's becoming a mini supercomputer.
We are committed to making foundational progress towards AGI in a bold and responsible way.
I think we're quite close to digital superintelligence. It may happen this year.
AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to AI systems capable of performing any intellectual task a human can, exhibiting adaptability and reasoning across diverse domains. The rise of AGI is driving unprecedented technological advancements, potentially revolutionizing industries like healthcare, education, and transportation. However, it also poses ethical and safety challenges, requiring careful governance to mitigate risks and ensure alignment with human values.
It shouldn't just be based on a system of trust people or trust companies.
Well, the thing I'm super excited about is, in a lot of ways, we're close to artificial general intelligence, but we're also close to artificial general robotics.
Smart speakers? Old news? Now they're moving. Amazon's Astro robot patrols homes and aids elder care, per Engadget. Apple's rumored J595 robot tracks you during FaceTime, per Bloomberg. The Unitree G1 humanoid robot demonstrates remarkable cooking skills, capable of tasks like flipping food in a pan and opening bottles with its dexterous, force-controlled hands. Its AI-driven precision and flexibility make it a versatile kitchen assistant, handling delicate culinary tasks with ease. The Astrobot S1 humanoid robot showcases impressive cooking skills, expertly flipping sandwiches in a pan and preparing waffles with human-like precision. Its AI-driven dexterity allows it to handle culinary tasks seamlessly, from pouring drinks to crafting meals. These bots have wheels, screens, and attitude.
Okay, these are robots. We develop computers to train them, computers to simulate them, and the computer that goes inside them.
Humanoid robots are working. Figure A's Figure 01 joined BMW factories in 2024, per TechCrunch. Agility Robotics Digit handles logistics, and Tesla's Optimus sorts parts, per a 2025 demo. Some bots could cost less than a car by 2026, per Forbes. The robot takeover is real.
Agentic AI is real. Agentic AI is a giant step function.
AI is not just chatting, it's working. Cognition Labs Devon builds websites and debugs code autonomously, per a 2024 demo. AutoGPT books trips and manages data, per VentureBeat. In offices, AI agents onboard employees and handle emails. Delegate to AI and watch it slay. By 2026, AI will touch everything: text, images, video, you name it. OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic's models like GPT-5 and Gemini Ultra handle it all, per Ars Technica.
GPT-5 is a major upgrade over GPT-4 and a significant step along our path to AGI.
Adobe Firefly and Runway ML revolutionize video editing, and 11 Labs clones voices instantly. This one's nuts. Neuralink's 2024 human chip lets you control computers with thoughts, per Reuters. Synchron and Precision Neuroscience restore mobility for paralysis patients, per Scientific American. Stroke patients send messages via thought in trials. BCIS are the future, and it's now. Biology is getting a tech upgrade. Synthetic biology lets us design life. Ginkgo Bioworks is engineering microbes for eco-friendly materials, per a 2025 Fast Company feature. By 2026, we could see lab-grown leather or biofuels cutting emissions, per Nature Biotechnology. It's like coding, but for life. Self-driving cars are just the start. By 2026, Waymo and Cruise are expanding autonomous taxi fleets, per TechCrunch. Drones from Zipline deliver medical supplies in Rwanda, and urban air taxis are taking off, per a 2025 Bloomberg report. Cities are becoming playgrounds for driverless tech. Digital twins, virtual replicas of real-world systems, are huge. Siemens and GE use them to optimize factories, cutting costs by 20%, per a 2025 Deloitte report. Cities like Singapore use digital twins for urban planning, per IEEE. By 2026, They'll revolutionize everything, from healthcare to logistics. That's the countdown, tech lovers. 20 game-changing trends reshaping our world right now. Which one's got you hyped? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and check out the recommended video on your screen for more future tech awesomeness. Thanks for watching. Let's keep exploring the future.